They're facing time in jail for breaking copyright law, but they say they've done nothing wrong. The 4 men convicted in Sweden run the Pirate Bay, a file-sharing site. Over the internet, one of the 4 promised they'd appeal and was sure they would win.
I'm still quite confident that the higher up you go in the Swedish court system, the more fair judgment you'll get. And no one can say that this is a fair judgment. This is definitely not a fair judgment, even if it would be illegal, which we really claim that it's not, and we really have read the laws surrounding this. And we have the top lawyers in Sweden, and they can't understand that this is a crime either.
Rather than actually hosting copyrighted material, the Pirate Bay site only tells fans where they can find the music albums or films they want. The legal case was brought by a group of media, film and music companies who claim they've lost millions of dollars from free downloads.
It's a bit like drug dealers. If you stop the person in the street who is the person that is just doing one download or upload, that's one thing. Okay, that's one thing out of the way. But if you can stop a drug baron further up, then you immediately cut off a much more major source. And they're looking at it as the equivalent of cutting off a drug baron.
At the London leg of a tour by the hugely successful rock band AC/DC, Al Jazeera asked fans what they thought about free downloads.
If a band like AC/DC, who have over decades of years gained a lot of money through their fans, why shouldn't their fans have one of their albums for free?
If you can download something for free, why don't you do it? You take any offer that's free today because of such hard times.
Defenders of free music downloading say there are plenty of ways for bands to earn a living. For example, tonight's concert tickets will have set the fans back around $60. On top of that, there are the obligatory baseball caps, bandanas and T-shirts. Merchandising is big business.
Some bands say they've been hit hard by free downloading, but others say it's time to accept it as a reality.
For too long, the record industry, unfortunately not so much the artists, but the record industry has ripped off punters. Rips off people who buy music, and it's flipped totally out the other side now, and you know, at some point we'll reach an equilibrium and there'll be something worked out that will work out.
The Swedish case could have major implications for other download sites.
I owe you 31 million Swedish. Just kidding.
Although the Pirate Bay say they'll carry on, the threat of jail sentences may well deter others. NADIM Barber, Al Jazeera, London.